Welcome back to my channel. She's on top. Welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm doing is eating this #1 waffle from Burger King, and it has some tea. She has some tea too. Say hi. Hey. She has tea, and we're going to eat this right here. All this. Whoop. Almost roasted. I would say a little bit more sugar, but it's okay. And I get wet, so I'm gonna take the first bite, and then because we're sharing, you want me to cut it? Yeah. Yeah. So guys, I have a plus now, so I'm not using it right now because it's dangerous for me.
Let's keep you losing tight shit.
We got to do this out here.
Cheers, you want this one?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so she got her own burger, and they're eating. So I'm not gonna eat my burger. See, they're real good.
So, KPD.
I gotta fix this time.
Neither was going to get soda.
So,
Guys, this is a mukbang.
Things to do.
Here's the deal.
So guys, we're going to talk about what happened today in sports. Okay guys, so my teacher's here, but she's pregnant. Because we have her baby like
You're looking at 25 years.
a month later.
If you had all that on me,
Okay, so yeah, and I'm just crack the cheese off. You don't want cheese, Boo? You want cheese?
yeah.
You do? I don't want the cheese. Because when you warm it up,
and my lawyer
the
ain't gonna let me
cheese
say
gets
shit.
melted and it's nasty.
Who am I trust? Too many crooked ass attorneys out
I
there.
ain't tasted cheese when I first bit it, but when I said my second
You
bite,
want
I
to have this
tasted
conversation?
and I said,
So,
but
I
first
think
yummy. So guys, what happened today at school? We had a substitute from because we had guidance today, so we had a substitute for guidance because my regular substitute had to take care of her boyfriend because her husband would have getting married. Take care of her husband because her husband had
Everything you say.
surgery. And yeah, so and make sure you guys pray for her husband.
You know what that is? It's called quitting for a day. You can talk about your knowledge of crimes, but nothing you
Or
say.
make sure you guys pray for her husband.
Don't worry.
And it sounds like
I'm
I'm
telling
going
you.
to jail with that.
Comment down below what.
You're right. It's not without
Say
risk.
that.
We can't use the information you provide to follow leads further
Huh?
investigations. And if
Huh?
those leads
Channels.
that evidence
She said comment down below. Subscribe to our channel and comment down below which channel do you guys want us to watch.
You said that?
Yeah.
Well, either you talk now and roll the dice on it, or you go to jail with that little drug.
I love her. Give
Those
me.
are the pieces on the board.
We sisters, so. And I love her. She's my best sister ever. When she was first born, I looked at her. Didn't I?
And me,
But
baby. Me, baby. My sister changed me.
At church, her doctor was a baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Keith.
Me, Mama, Talia, and more. Change your diaper.
And Jay.
Jay didn't change her diaper when you was little, because Jay was little too. I was in little.
First she was together.
And up my tomatoes.
That one wasn't us.
I got a lot of tomatoes on my burger.
What do you mean that
I'm
one?
cutting up
And I don't know
some.
nothing about that big, small shit. What I do know?
No, wait, right there.
Motherfucking mom.
No, wait, right there. So,
I'm looking at my napkin. Okay, guys.
hey, who finished first?
Guys, my tea is so good. This is sweet. Ooh. This is sweet tea, guys. Yeah. Don't waste it, okay? Don't waste it like crazy sissy. Yeah, guys, I'm young kind of crazy. You guys after that, I'm just gonna smush it down so I can actually get some tomatoes. Like, I love tomatoes.
Me love tomatoes. This is what I love these.
Okay, bye, guys. You done? Okay, I'm gonna wait till she gets finished. Guys, my tea came out.
You talking about the puppet set? Man, you want me to talk or what? Puffy wanted to make sure he was safe.
Yeah, because my camera's gonna go down.
So Zip hooked us up.
Puffy said you never hired Chris for security.
I'm telling you, homeboy, I was the security. Puff was scared to
Now you
death.
can move your phone. You move your phone.
Because I'm just recording on my phone. I'm at the same phone. Because I'm just charging my camera. Oh yeah, guys. I'm doing a giveaway in April because I don't feel like spending my money right now, so I'm doing a giveaway in April the 2nd. So yeah, stay tuned. And what I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna sell a camera, a phone, a tablet, whatever kind of tablet. It's think it's gonna be like this, guys. If you guys want to tablet, but it's never been cracked just like this one. I don't know. Yeah. Or you guys can get a Pepper's hair, but the new kind of hair. So bye. Love me, kisses.